Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this beautiful 2020 Ford Edge Titanium. Power for this Edge comes from a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine matted to an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. It is riding on alloy wheels, and from the side we've got the chrome trim and door handles with the color matched mirrors with integrated turn signals, as well as the nice deep tinted privacy glass for your passengers and your cargo. Moving around to the front, we'll find the nice big aggressive chrome grille along with fog lights. Inside we have a whole ton of great features too, so let's hop right in and check out what the interior has to offer. So jumping inside, we have a whole ton of features to go over. Checking out the door panel, first of all, we've got our power locks, windows, mirrors, and our memory settings for our power driver's seat, as well as our power liftgate right over there, and our light controls. Checking out the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our adaptive cruise control, as well as our buttons for accessing info up on the dash, such as you can go through your safety features. We've got the blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert, cruise control, driver alert, lane keeping system, as well as a pre-collision system as well. Right over here on the right, we've got our audio controls and hands-free Bluetooth calling. And moving over to the center dash, we've got a full navigation system with an AM/FM stereo, a Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio that does come with a 3-month subscription, as well as auxiliary power inputs for your phone or your iPod. You can also control your climate through here if you like. We've got the front heated and cooled seats, as well as our heated steering wheel, and our dual zone electronic climate control, which we can also find down here with air conditioning. This button right here, we can adjust our camera settings, and if we check out the center console, we've got our shifter dial, as well as right here our auto stop start, our auto parking mode, and our rear parking aid. Checking out the vehicle, we've got this beautiful brown and black leather interior, and taking a look up, we are going to find a panoramic roof. So let's hop outside and take a look at what we've got going on around back. So first of all, we're going to check out the key fob here. We've got our factory installed remote start, as well as our power liftgate. And then from the back, we have our color matched rear spoiler and shark fin antenna, as well as our rear wiper blade, which is awesome for our BC weather. And back here, you're going to find your Ford Edge and Titanium EcoBoost all-wheel drive badging, as well as our dual exhaust. If we hit the button twice for the liftgate, it will open right up. And we have a huge amount of cargo space, and as you can see, these seats do fold down 60/40, so you can expand that cargo space, still having the option to carry passengers. If we check this out down here, we've got this really nifty feature where you can fold down the seats with the touch of a button. To close up your power liftgate, we're just going to touch that button right there. You can turn around and walk away and be assured everything is closed up tight. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2020 Ford Edge Titanium with me. If you'd like to see it for yourself, you can come down to 1624 Carey Road Monday to Saturday to check it out. If you have questions before making the trip, please give us a call, or you can find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs on this Edge and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everybody is doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.